Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you all must have heard of Kasai or Kasai, however you all pronounce it. It is a traditional herbal drink that used to be prepared from many years in Goa especially. It must have been prepared in other states as well of India, but I know because my grandparents used to prepare it, my mom used to prepare it, and it was used widely to treat symptoms of cold and flu. So, since it is a monsoon season in Goa and in the UK, hay fever is going on everywhere, so this is the perfect home remedy that you can use and try. It's gonna give you amazing results, trust me, because I had cold and flu a few days back and it has been healing and it has been recovering, so that drink is helping me a lot. Main reason why I'm shooting this recipe is because I tried to search for this recipe so many times on YouTube or on the internet and I did not get the perfect one. There were a lot of variations, there are a lot of different other recipes that you can try, but the one that my parents and my grandparents used to prepare, I did not find it anyway. So I thought, why not make a video and share it with you all? Because this monsoon season, this summer season, even in the winter season, you are going to benefit from it. It is a healthy drink. It has all the herbs and spices that's going to soothe your throat, and it's like you can call it a magic drink, to be honest, because back in the day this is the one remedy that used to help them treat the cold and flu very easily. Holy basil is one ingredient which is not really available here in the UK, but it is widely available in Goa and India. So I would highly recommend adding Tulsi leaves or holy basil into this drink because that's going to provide maximum of the benefits. So come, let's prepare our magical herbal drink. So this is the perfect concoction that you can prepare to get rid of all the phlegm buildup and all the cough and cold that you have been suffering from. Currently, I am also having some cold, so I'm gonna prepare one patch for myself and drink it in the morning and in the evening on empty stomach. So 1 cup in as soon as you wake up and 1 cup before you have your dinner. And this proves to be the greatest Ayurvedic medication as it helps to relieve the phlegm. It will be easier for you to cough out the mucus and the phlegm and get rid of the viral cold and cough. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I've used for the concoction. I've taken half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 cardamom, around half teaspoon of peppercorns, 6 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 candy sugar, which is optional. If you don't want it, you can replace it with honey or 4 or 5 raisins, lemongrass, mint leaves. I've used 2 pieces of dried ginger and 1 piece of ginger, fresh ginger. You can skip the dried ginger. I had it, so I used it. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Also include holy basil leaves if you have. I didn't have it, so I'm skipping it. Bring all of these ingredients to a rolling boil for about 10 minutes until all the flavor of this ingredient infuses in the water. And before taking it off the stove, you add a piece of jaggery or jaggery powder for sweetness, or you can even directly add honey when serving. I hope you all love this recipe. Do try it out, especially in this monsoon season, because I know you all are going to catch cold soon. So try it out and let me know in the comment section your variations, however you prefer it, or what are your recipes that have been passed on from generation. So do comment down and let me know. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting a lot of recipes in the coming weeks. Bye.